Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on that device. So first let's open the settings, and after that tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here ringtone notification volume panel. Just to change the ringtone volume you should swipe this dot to the left or to the right side just by default and drag it by this way. Also, you can make it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button, then click here on the three dots. You'll launch the full volume button section, and by the same way, but just by swipe to the up or to the down, you can also just change ringtone volume of your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.